nalaman ko po na si Marcos at saka si Henz yung kagrupo ko, nabigla po kasi may iba't ibang style kami.
Ginanaan naman kasi pwedeng pag nag-blending, maganda yung tunog.
I wanted that way yung kanta namin. Hindi ako ganun ka-familiar. Nagpaturo po ako kay Neil at kay Henz. Nagulat talaga kami kasi sa banda, it's hard to hear yourself.
Off ako minsan kasi, bang. Hindi ko na wala yung music lang naririnig ko eh.
Yeah. Si Henz yung pinaka-mataas yung range ng boses. When he tried it, parang hindi siya komportable. Teacher Lindy asked me and Neil to try it. Sobrang taas, kahit si Neil nataasan na rin eh.
Can we run it once? Kasi let's decide kung ibababa. It will depend on you.
Jesus.
Nagpalit kami ni Neil ng part, yung mga high notes. Hindi ko pa talaga alam kung babaguhin namin completely. Pero willing to sacrifice naman eh, para mapaganda yung performance.
Hopefully, he will find the strength to be confident in his own voice.
I think pag andyan na yung audience, you'll see them perform well.
Ibibigay namin ang best namin, do it with confidence. 'Cause I want it that